After the mirror, I say Shandelak's record. Up to some boy. Even a man, you can't be great if you're ungrateful.
Hey, what time now? 8 o'clock, man. Team still at it. Alright, I'm gonna feel that now to drop down a little bit. Still at it. Still at it.
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Puzzle up the car and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Blabberem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Everybody, this is Shaggy. I'm on my way to Jamaica. Just going out with some supplies. Stuff like that. We also have the bay of the plane filled with supplies. Of course, you all know about the devastation that Jamaica has gone through from Hurricane Melissa. I'm asking everybody to help and make sure that you donate. You can go to foodforthepoor.org, or you can also go to support Jamaica .gov.ja, and you know, just support and do as much as you can. It is really, really dire. Jamaica needs you more now than ever, and we're doing as much as we can. We have one plane coming in now. We have another flight scheduled to come in, and probably one on Saturday. Us doing our little bit, whatever we can do right now. We're going to partner with Food for the Poor and just go down and hit the ground and kind of see what is going on. To everyone, you know, my prayers go to you. And yeah, you know, we just have to just, we'll, you know, Jamaica this, and we'll pull through. We'll pull through. So thanks to everyone for supporting.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa is now at 19. 8 bodies have been recovered in St. Elizabeth, 2 in St. James, including a child, and 9 in Westmoreland. The search and rescue teams are still out there, and as I have any other numbers, I will let you know. I know this is not numbers you want to hear, but we are doing our best to get to everyone in the affected communities.
Jamaica, my heart goes out to everyone in this time, and we all know that we have been battling with this Hurricane Melissa. As you know, I have my foundation called the Grace Hamilton Foundation, always giving back. This time, what I need is for you guys, if you have been affected, is to send an email with the damages, what it is that you really need, because we know that people have been affected in different ways. I'm calling for people also, if you want to help, to reach out. The email is gracehamiltonfoundation@gmail.com. A lot of my friends have been calling me, asking me how they can help. So I will be posting the account for the foundation so that you can make a donation if you want to. But I am going to start by doing my part, and I'm going to Jamaica, and my aim is to go into these communities and to help to build back all of the damages, do what I can do. So here's what I also need. If you're a If you're a carpenter, if you're a truck driver, I also need simple as manpower to help to go into this community, because I believe that together we can build this back stronger. So if you know that you can play a part, the email is gracehamiltonfoundation@gmail.com. Send us an email whether you need help or you want to help. I'll be checking the emails, and I'll be posting the account for you to help if you want to, because I believe that we're going to build back stronger. So Jamaica, know yourself, the Queen is on our way home. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to get there to play my part and do what I can do. I'll be putting the post.
Shaggy, big up yourself, my brother. You go on down, go and help your people them. Spice, all of the entertainers them are overseas. Cartel, we need them. With Jamaica need them more than ever. All of the entertainers them are, listen on. Me don't want you to put $1 in the government hand. And you want this administration of getting the money. Them worst charity and thief the people their money. Angie use the charity money and buy bonds for him and him pity them and him family. Nigel Clark Grace charity and take the money and run away. Listen, Jamaica need help and all of who, the foreign government and who want for help, go down to Jamaica upon the ground and go help the people them. No money enough for going to Desmond Mackenzie and Angie Wallace and them are criminal and thief. The Jamaica and burial gone. The people them not get no money in a burial. Some of the people them. We don't want nothing going to Angie Wallace and Shaggy don't get Angie Wallace them nothing.
Fuck up the whole place and thing, you see me? So the picture, you know, the picture end up broken, as a pray. So what we probably have to go do is, we'll fix back the picture, you know, as a pray. I probably buy one new one, 30,000 cost, and probably buy one new one. I will probably fix it back. And then after, you know, I think I'll build it down on the grave, like a statue on the dark grave himself, you see me? So he can't break down, the breeze can't blow it down. So I just build a statue out of cement with the dog, as a pray. So anybody out there who know if you build them things there, just hit me up, bro. As a prayer. Me have the money, everything to get it done. Just let me know, man. Hit me up. Please, man, I know a thing set, you know. You see, say, all of Jamaica, Ghana, one place, one part, you know. You understand what I say? I hope my family, them alright, where they're on the ground and thing. You see me, because you know me is a man. I love my family. You see me, I love my grandmother. I love my cousin, I love my auntie, I love everybody in my family. And first of all, I love all of my women them. We don't know apology. The one them from in the past and the one them in the future. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, we don't know apology. I hope everybody stands strong. You understand what I say? I see say all of Belmont mash up and now I can't see no picture or no video on my ground because all me I try to reach out to my set of warriors them. When I left back on the ground, anytime storm go on in Jamaica, nobody now have no internet. All that really work out. I have to pay a bag of money to digital and a bag of money to flow. So them things make me know so the country or them network system in a fully reverse. We don't no apology. So all the people them at town have internet service and the people them in a Westmoreland have no service. And look funny now, you know. Them things what we see happening in the storm, the whole hotel and them thing there. And them, that's why we know say, you know, the system gone away, you know, and them storm a man-made storm, you know. You understand what I say? Because remember for true, you know, we see Hurricane Gilbert and them thing there, you know. We see Beryl and them thing there, you know. You understand? We see Ivan and them thing there, you know. And this one here, naked back. A whole place shake upside it down. I hope the warriors them can come together and unite, you know, and stand strong. Like how Mr. Chin and Indian man them unite. We hope a native them can unite. You see me, and stop tricking yourself in front of yourself. And stop watching a general them pants pocket. And do things with fool yourself and be independent. Remember, when I live in a dream, you know, when I trick yourself. Salute to 1D9, you don't know. In video shoot coming up shortly, you don't know me and him do a little intro thing, and you don't know. She put the manly and she feel alright. Yeah man, we left right, that's how we do. No apology, publicly speaking.
Yeah, people them say fire for burn pan L.A. Lewis. I pity no know say me and burn no fire pan L.A. Lewis. I feel like me a fool. I want to know if you burn fire pan the one man who can diss the Prime Minister. I want to look at yes boy and yes girls. Me soon I talk about your Prime Minister if you put a stop into this. When L.A. Lewis say whatever I'm saying, figure out jail for 2 years. You know yes man, you know yes boy and yes girls. You know like, you know respect free speech. You know what, yeah, you know yes boy and yes girl. You know like people who say what everybody has said. The man I say what I feel like, so the man have a mind of his own. I want to rate Nanny and Kojo, whatsoever they want him. Nanny and Kojo of the Maroons. I want to rate them the people about to rate L.A. Lewis. I free will the man a fight for what him feel is right or whatsoever is right. So yeah, you know yes boy and yes girls man, but blood clot Prime Minister for lock up man. Freedom of speech, what is wrong with the people? Doesn't like when him chat about, because him chat a lot of nonsense still, you know, but him chat a lot of things what make sense. Just like when he tell the people about a star bar come and him a talk to Jaden Spirit. And, but other than that, you don't allow the man, but lock up the man for what? You know yes boys and yes girls, but lock up. Our freedom of speech, but not talk about disrespect is not freedom of speech. Anyway, it's freedom of speech. The man have him right for say what man say. Yeah. So yeah, you know yes boys and yes girls. You know like everybody, you know like people who say everybody say, you know rate people who have a man of their one. I'm to beat the one man that can beat the Prime Minister. You don't see me L.A. Lewis a fight for his same cause. What the fuck wrong with him?
Yo, Sencha. Me see me come from nothing to something. Enough things could happen, God say them can't touch you. Them only see the book cover and still want judge you. I've got by my side down, me don't really need you. God make all a reason. More if you ask you something. Like when you make them take my sister, wait, forgive me, Lord. No fear ask that, cause everything happen for a reason. Come from one part where me no know if me that go see tomorrow. So me give God a thanks. Lift up your hands and give God a praise. If my dog them pass off, but me still there in my place. Me coulda lift up one care. But that's not a man who loves him, me face on tears. Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Me see me come from nothing to something. Enough things could happen, God say them can't touch you. Them only see the book cover and still want judge you. I've got by my side down, me don't really need you. Come from nothing to something. Enough things could happen, God say them can't touch you. Them only see the book cover and still want judge you. I've got by my side down.
Yeah, people will just wake and me again. Me the child again. So just wake up and they are pretty news. So Jamaica I get $25 billion. Saying what a funding to help restructure back the country, put the country back on its feet. A lot of country packing all these food, all these water, all these bags, all these stuff to come fed the people with food. You know what I mean? Yeah, we see all of the movements. You know, how much poison them are going to send come to Jamaica come give it now? How much our people them are going to full up them body of cancer, disease, all different type of disease now. Because the Prime Minister telling us after this time, you're going to have mosquito, you're going to have malaria, all of these things that got about. So it's time for our Jamaican people to embrace and start to get sick from yard and abroad. You understand me? I mean get sick from yard and abroad. For what they're gonna feed us from abroad. You understand me? We know yes, I will be there and we say yes, we are get help. You know, them gonna ship a lot of food and ship a lot of this and ship a lot of that. Won't ever job up on the board and say there are people in America that suffer. So how them want to help a nation? Why them want to invest in other nation so much? It's because of the storm? Oh damn. Oh damn. Fool me once, but they can't fool me twice, you know. But I'm saying I'm just hearing to give the people my heads up. You understand me? That there is no way American country I suffer and the people them up here are dead for hungry. Remember I told you yesterday, I see a woman run going to save a lot with 5 kids and load up a trolley and push out the trolley and the security guard couldn't even stop her. She was crying out, my kids them hungry, my kids them hungry. Believe me. Seeing? So for who doesn't know, by next month the government actually not even in the government turn off American snaps benefit from the people. People will look for next month for buy food to give them kids and it can't happen. But no, they have all these things and all these money to help out Jamaica when them people they are suffer. Just like how it turn pound we Jamaica would have send things go at 80 and all these other country and then people still they are suffer. We'll just read between the lines, alright? This is your boy Jacha saying have a blessed day. My people of Jamaica, be strong and try to recover in the best way. Don't eat them poison. Don't eat them food that them a ship come go on. Just remember that.
Well, this Neil. You myself knows a Fidel Scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. The ear, paper. Pull up after your night first and last. Hold your jacket.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who I get it coulda walk or run. Somebody blood a fi go sharp and gun. Me war start a night.